Divide 481 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting it is 0. So we put down this 8 and 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting it is 0. We put down this 1 and 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting it is 0. So 481 divided by 2 is 240 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.